Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make a cave art painting. I hope you will enjoy this painting. It's very famous in the world to watch cave paintings. Today I'm going to teach you a method of making cave paintings. It's very easy. This artwork in ancient artwork is very popular. Hands in their paintings. So today I decided to make this. It's very easy. Children can do this. This art was very easy. I took three colors: yellow, gray, and brown. You can make gray color with white and yellow, white and black, and you can make brown color with yellow and black color. Mix them. Lightly mix them. Because we need a texture of wall and cave type color, so use this paper to remove some colors that it look like a cave wall. You can use tissue paper to make it cave wall. Remove this color. I took a piece of sponge and I will choose two colors, red and some brown color. Mix them well. I made this hand with this paper. Cut it and now put it on the canvas. Now apply red color for making hands. It's very easy, very simple, very easy. I'm enjoying to make this